Hi there! Today we got a big package, so welcome to the unboxing of the Cooking Chef 9060 from Kenwood. So first thing said, the package is really heavy, so you might want some help from your friends when you want to bring it home. The Kenwood Cooking Chef comes with a lot of accessories and you can buy more of them separately. So let's check inside the box what we have. Just like this, opens up the flaps, and here's the first warning: be careful about the blades. These machines can cut. And inside we have a manual, pretty big one, pretty heavy. Then we have a Cooking Chef Gourmet receipt book, and we have a certificate for joining. So removing the plastic. There we go. And here comes the machine itself in several boxes. So first we have this box right here. And alright, so this accessory is preventing splashes from the machine when it's operating. Another box. This is heavier. Let's check what we have inside here. Alright, there we got a lot of accessories with their own manual instructions. And in this case we got our mixer, and we get the cover, we get the rotor, and here are the blades. It opens just like that. Here is first kind, second kind, third kind, fourth kind, fifth kind, and sixth kind. So you definitely got a lot of options here. You will not get bored with this machine. We still get a box here. So let's check it out. The mixer for making fruit, vegetable, or just like a classic blender. Very nice. Touch, feeling quite heavy. Gonna check this out soon. So let's check this out first. And there we got a lot of spare parts which can be assembled together with our Kenwood Cooking Chef 9060. Small accessories. These are for cleaning up your machine after use. And finally we go with the big guy. Alright, there we go. So let's check out the machine inside. So first we remove this plastic bag all around. As you can see, this is all steel. That's the reason of the weight, but this is also what gives the machine its high standards of durability. And you can observe on the side, let's peel this off, this machine has a screen and commands below that you can actionate to make it work also on automatic mode, meaning it has already a program inside, or you can manually select the temperature and the speed that you want to have. To open the machine you just click this here. Inside we have the coverage which goes here, snaps back, power plug, standard German plug in this case. With this big bowl you'll be able to prepare food for, they say, up to 8 people easily. There it goes, snaps back in. So we can close again the machine by pulling the small lever here and letting it sliding in. Done. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this unboxing. This time we got a very heavy and big package. This guy was bought for $9.99 here in Austria. You can get it pretty much in every big store in Europe. I'm looking forward for testing it out now.